Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. Let me tell you about this really cute sleeping mask. This is the Magic Food Banana Sleep Mask from TONYMOLY. So not only is this packaging so cute, this is actually really good for your skin. Because it is shaped like a banana, it actually does have banana extract in it. So it's rich in potassium and vitamin A, as well as it has milk proteins and chamomile extract. So with all of those combined, it's going to provide nutrition for your face, also calm, soothe, moisturize, and protect your skin. I do love to put it on every single night as part of my skincare routine. I just put a nice little layer on my face and I let it sit and dry for a bit and I go straight to bed. What's so great about this is that it's not too thick or too thin. It's not watery. It does leave a nice little sheen on your face, so you really feel like your skin is moisturized, and my skin doesn't feel tacky or sticky afterwards. So this stuff is really great, and it has a slight banana scent to it, but it's nothing overpowering. It's very soft and subtle. So even if you have sensitive skin like I do, it's not going to irritate your skin because the fragrance, again, is very soft and subtle. So I feel like I get the textbook definition of beauty rest with this because it does the job for me when I'm sleeping, with providing my skin with nourishment and hydration, and I wake up more beautiful than I was the next day, and that's my point of view.